Hi, if you're facing challenges with the criminal justice system, I imagine that you've got some questions, and that's what we're going to try and do today is respond to those questions with our chatbot. My name is Michael Santos. I'm the founder of Prison Professors, and you've probably seen our website here on the homepage. We've recently added another little section there called questions. And if you click that questions page, you're going to see a chatbot come up. And it's very important that you read this. What we're trying to do here is we're developing this chatbot as we go. And our knowledge base stems from all that I learned while going through 26 years in prison and what I've learned since getting out in 2013. You can see that we use this rather extensive sheet to show all of the information we are feeding into the chatbot. So it is currently, and I'm filming this in early March 2025. It's got like 160 different entries there, and I'm adding to it every day. But an AI chatbot frequently has, it has to learn. So we want to provide the best questions that we can, our best responses to your questions as we can. So if you click on this button right here, you will see how simple it is. You would just type in your name. Let's just say I'm going to type in Michael, and I'm going to type in my email, michael@prisonprofessor. In fact, I'm going to use, that's okay, prisonprofessors.org. And I agreed to receive the Prison Professors newsletter. So in order for us to collect the questions that we receive, we have to have an email address. So I'm never going to spam you, and nobody in the nonprofit will ever ask you for any type of sale or anything, because everything we do here is for free. But I really just have to train this document. So let me give you an example. What is a pre-sentence investigation report? I could ask that question, and then the bot will provide you with an answer to that question. If you've got another question, how can I prepare for a lower sentence? We're going to see what the bot will say, right? My job is to ask all of these kinds of questions and go in there and fine tune it with responses that anybody could use. If you're on here and you're finding that the bot is not giving you the type of answer you want, you can click this little button right here and help us train your questions on this spreadsheet. You could do so anonymously if you want to. But just say, will I earn good time credits if my sentence is only 10 months? That was a question that I recently received, and the bot gave it the wrong answer. So I want to go in there. I'm going to have to go in there and train it. So this was somebody who'd already been sentenced. I thought I could get earned time credits. Okay, but you didn't know really what they were. You don't have to answer your question. These are all optional. The only one that's mandatory is just give me the question. And when you do that, it'll go into a form that I can later see. And that form will allow me to further fine-tune the AI chatbot. So I hope that you find this tool useful. We are going to continue working to develop it. With your help, it will grow smarter over time. So feel free just to ask any questions that you want, and I'll do my best to provide responses. Some people may want to speak with somebody. I don't personally do that because I'm too focused on the macro changes of the system. But you could always go to one of the interactive webinars that our sponsor provides at whitecollaradvice.com/nonprofit. It's free, and we hope that you'll find